everyone, welcome to today's video. My name is Tiffany and today we are doing our 2021 rolling project pan introduction. I have been waiting for this because I was really anxious to end last year's because I did so bad in it. So you'll see that one first before you see this one, of course, but I picked way too many eyeshadows and it just did not go well for me. So that was my very first one. So this is my official second one. So I'm going to tell you how I'm going to do mine. It's going to probably be different than, I don't know. I'm kind of doing mine for one, because I want to get through these products, and two, I want to have fun. So I kind of made up my own little project pan and I'm going to tell you how I'm going to do it. So I'm in a rare mood today, so I have to warn you. So let's just get started because you're going to see I'm a crazy person. This is what we're panning this year. I am doing one project this year because, I mean, unless something happens and something comes up and I'm like, I have to do this other one, or if I see something I have to do, I'm going to do one project because this is going to be a huge undertaking. So what my project is, I picked all kinds of items that either don't get attention from me, are older, are almost used up, and I put them into this shoebox. And there's 44 items in here. And my goal is to use up 21 of them. So I'm giving myself options because I like options, and I'm giving myself a challenge to use 21 products, which I think I will be able to do. But I'm going to roll them in. So if it gets to a point where I'm like pulling brand new things that I don't want to necessarily start using up because I went through all of this stuff, which I highly doubt, then we're going to cut it off at some point, rolling things in, because then I'm going to wind up with 44 items, which kind of doesn't make sense, but I'm just making things up as I go. So this is what we're going to do. So these are all my items. I'm going to go through them fairly quickly because with 44 things, we don't want to be here for 2 hours. And then I will weigh them, and I'm going to keep track of how many times it takes me to use them this time. So I did not mark things because I'm going to do those for the pictures, or I'm not going to show you the markings on them because you'll see it in the pictures. And then we are just going to go through it. So let's get started. First thing, pink glow on with citrus energizing clay face and body mask. I've had this for a really long time. It is a clay mask. It's actually pretty decent, and I got it for really cheap, and we have quite a bit of it left, and I know this is going to dry out very soon because it's very expired at this point. So we're going to try to work on that one. I have a bunch of products that I used for my review of my Dollar Tree skincare review video, and if you like that video, then you really like what's coming up soon, because I might be actually doing another one right now, but we'll just, you'll have to wait and see. So these are a lot of the products that were in there that I didn't use up yet. So this is a Beauty Benefits, I think is the name of the company. But this is the gold gel face mask that I was using in that video. So I have about half of it left. So I'm going to try to get through that one. If I have any products off the top, I'll just pull them. This was the Skin Nutrition's Age Defy Dark Circle and Puffiness Serum. I did not have good luck with this if you watched that video, but there is still quite a bit of product in there, so I'm going to use that up. If I didn't mention already, I will weigh this stuff. I think I did, but I'm not sure. Okay, I have 2 oils from there. So we also had the Skin Nutrition's Hyaluronic Acid 1% with vitamin C serum, so that is going to get some attention. And then there was also the double strength retinol night repair serum as well. So I will be working on these, and I put both of them in the project. I actually have some like almost kind of men's stuff because Frank is just not using it, and I'm tired of it sitting in our cabinet. So this is like more body care, but this is the Vaseline Men's Extra Strength Healing Moisture Lotion, and it's a big old bottle, but he's had this forever and he will not use it. So I figured it doesn't really smell manly, so I figured I'll use it at bedtime, and especially with this extra strength because it's winter and my skin is super dry. And then I bought him this shave cream from Cremo, and he does not like it. So I'm just going to use this up and see how I like it. It's supposed to be concentrated. I know a lot of people like this, so I'm going to give that a try. I don't like bar soaps. There's a couple I might like, but for the most part I don't like them. But we have a couple of them, so I put 2 of them in there, and I hate the scent. I hate the scent of Irish Spring, but I put these in there because I want to get them out of my little under the sink organizer. Oh, here's another product from the Dollar Tree. So this is the Luxe Retinol Skin Cream. This is a lotion, and it's actually very nice. It's thick, and it looks like this. You're not really going to be able to see it, but it does a really decent job for being $1. So that one is going in the project. Now I have a whole bunch of these like sample thingy-majiggies, and I counted these each as 1, but I have 1 more of the Mary Kay Satin Hands. I was doing the Mary Kay like seller thing years and years ago, and this is one of the last things I have left over from that. So I have 1 of those to go through. I wound up with a bunch of face masks from my mom. So I have this mud pack, anti-stress little mud pack to use, and then there's another one. This is a mask sauna, something like that. So those 2. I have 2 hair care little samples. This is the Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging Shampoo and Conditioner, and I love this stuff, but I will not spend that much money right now, and I'm on a no buy, which I didn't get to yet. So you'll have to stay tuned for that. And then this is the Frederic Fekkai shampoo and conditioner sample, and I have not tried that yet, so we'll give that a go. And then this is this is the Biore baking soda acne scrub little sample guy, so I put that in there. More body care-ish type of stuff. So I have in here, let me dig. Where are you? Okay, this, I just went through one of these in my last project pan, and I had one that was like to here, and I pulled a new one in there because I have a ton of these. So I'm just going to try to get through this. So we'll see how that goes. This is the Dove Go Fresh Revitalize Body Wash, and I have so many trial sizes of these things from traveling before, and we're not traveling anytime soon. We're possibly going to Colorado this year to go see my sister, but that will be like later on down the road. But yeah, so I'm just going to try to use these because I have so many of them and I want to get rid of them. And this is a Kenra Platinum Deep Detox Scrub little sample for your hair. So we'll try that. I haven't used it yet. This is funny. I have a whole bunch of these, and these are one of those things where you don't want to use it because you want to kind of save it, but then when you're not using it, then you're like, what's the point? So I didn't tell anybody this because sometimes I think people think it's really stupid, but a couple of years ago, I treated myself to a vacation for myself, and it came from an idea of a patient who did that, and she told me it's one of the best things she did as a mom, and I booked myself a weekend away at Hotel Hershey, which is a really, really nice hotel, and spent the whole time in the spa and eating dinner by myself. And then the rest of the time I was in my room getting like takeout type of things like desserts and just sleeping in my bathrobe. And it was one of the most fun things, but it was really weird because I missed everybody once I got there and I wanted someone to be there. So I was trying to coerce people to come and drive to go there, but nobody would. And now I've been craving to go back, but it was like one of the most funnest things ever. It cost a fortune, but it was like a once in a blue moon type of thing. And I brought all of these things back from there because they have a signature scent of like a chocolate orange scent from the spa. So I have a shower gel, a body lotion, a shampoo, a conditioner and a body scrub in all that scent, and it's just been holding on to it because of the memories of it, and it smells really good, but they're just sitting in there, so I'm going to use them up. So there's 5 of those and a story. Okay, and now we have a Caress Adore Forever. This is a body wash, so another trial size. I'm telling you, I have a lot. Okay, now we'll do some skincare. So I put in here, I have this little retinol sample I had from my dermatologist. So I have a couple of these, and this I think is the last one, so that's going to get used up. I have this Bare Minerals Skin Longevity Vital Power Infusion. I don't really know what this is, but I think my friend Lauren on YouTube, I think she used one and she liked it, or yeah, so I'm going to find out from her what this is, or she can just tell me down below. Please learn, and I will try to use that. I'm going to use it. This is a number 7 Early Defense Glow Activating Serum, and I've had 2 of those. That's the last one. And this is the L'Oreal Pure Sugar Scrub and a little sugar scrub. So I'm trying to use that up. This is the Body Shop Wild Argan Oil Body Butter, and it's like one of these little sizes, and I have not used it yet, and it smells good. So I'm going to use that one. What else? This is a St. Ives Blackhead Clearing Green Tea Scrub. This was something my mom had with those masks, so I have that to use. And what else? I'm getting to just the makeup, so that's what I'm trying to do, is I'm pulling everything else out that's not like body care, skincare, and then I'm leaving the makeup for last. This is a pomegranate exfoliating mask from Murad to use, so we'll get that. This is a Josie Marin Whipped Argan Oil Face Butter, so moisturizer that came in a Sephora kit I got 2 years ago, and I've not used it yet. And then I have the last thing. It's not makeup. It's the Not Your Mother's Clean Freak Refreshing Dry Shampoo. I've gone through multiples of these, and this was my sister's before she moved to Colorado, so I got all of her stuff. So last stuff is makeup. So this is ambitious again, but I'm saying I need to finish 21 products. So I have 44 altogether, so we're just going to try and see what we can do. I've had this for so long, it's embarrassing. It's still in the package, but it's just one of those EOS lip balms. I don't like these because I just don't like the packaging of them, but I'm going to take this out and use this up because I need to not see it in my collection anymore. Then I have a whole bunch of lip products. So this is going to be ambitious, like I said, but we're going to try it out and see how we do. Okay, the other last thing I have from Mary Kay are these little lip samples, and it's in the shade Beach Bronze, which does not look good on me, but I figured I'll combine it with one of these other products, and then we will get that out. I have a what do you call it? The Body Shop Born Lippy and Strawberry Lip Balm, and this is like the size a little bit bigger than the e.l.f. one I had from last Project Pan. I still didn't finish that one, so I don't know what I was thinking putting this one in here, but I've had this for a really long time. That's gonna try to go. This is a Sparkler Lip Smacker in Cotton Candy Clouds. It's just really pretty pink, so that should be easier to get through. This is an NYC lip gloss I've had forever. It doesn't even have the name on it anymore, but that is going to go. Then I have these 2 little lip glosses from Primark, and there's a pink and a red. So there's really nothing else other to say, pink and red. Those are in there. This one you might have seen in a recent makeup basket. And I didn't use it because I just don't really love it, but this is the Ulta Matte Lip Cream in the shade Elusive, and it's like a deep purplish brown, so we're going to try to go through that. This is a CoverGirl CG Smoothers in the shade, it's like another honey shade, it's called Honey Drop. This looks really pretty with the red lip gloss from Primark. My mom actually figured that out for me because we were teasing. I was teasing. I put this on, and then she said, "Try something on top of it," and I put that one on there, and it looked gorgeous. So thanks, Mom. And then the last one is this Lippy from, where are you from? Rimmel? Yes, Rimmel, and it's in the shade 102. What are you called? Hold on. I forgot I had a cheesecake in the oven and the thing was going off and I have no idea how long it was going on for. But anyways, this is Lippy from Rimmel, and I don't know what the shade name is, but we're going to try to use it up. So, and that's that. Sorry, I didn't show you. It's a really bright pink. So, okay, so those are the lipsticks and such. And then the last couple things are still makeup. So I actually love this, but I've had it for a really long time and it's just taking up space. So this is the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Bronzer, and I really, really like this a lot, and I will definitely get a full size at some point once I go through this one. But because this is super old, I want to get this out. I have a Tarte Chrome Paint Pot, and this is in the gold Park Avenue Princess shade, and it's a like, whoops. It's super blinding and gorgeous, this gold, but I am thinking that it's going to get really dry soon, so I want to try to use that, and I love gold, so I love gold. Okay, ambitious. I have 3 little eyeshadow palettes because I like my little eyeshadow palettes. The first one is this e.l.f. Brightening Eye Color, and it's a little quad in the shade Rocker, and I probably got this from the Dollar Tree like years ago because I've had it for a really long time. But it's just a purple, a gold, a white, and a black. I can't even open it because it's not opened because that's how long I've had it. So yeah, that is going in there. This is super pretty, and I do want to get the full size of this. This is the little mini eyeshadow palette from Sleek. And it's from the, I believe it's the When the Sun Goes Down is the palette, but I have actually gotten quite a bit of use out of this before because I'll take it traveling with us. But I definitely want to see how many of these I can hit pan in or use up completely. And this is my least favorite eyeshadow palette in my collection, and it's the Maybelline The Blushed Nudes eyeshadow palette. So I will show you what it looks like now. And that is that, and it is pretty, but it's just my least favorite one. So that is going to be in the project. And the very last thing we have is the Butter Blush that was just in my makeup basket too, and this is the Plum Rose, and this is very pretty. It's more of a muted movie pink or movie shade, but it's definitely very, very light, and it takes a lot of building up. So that is going to be the last thing. So I will do these probably, if not monthly, every other month for updates, because last year, or the first one that I did it quarterly, and I felt like it wasn't enough updating. So we will go like that, and then like I said, I will roll stuff in, but the goal is to finish at least 21 of these things. So let's keep our fingers crossed that we can keep this going for a while, and that we get a lot of use out of these things and get them out of my house. But yeah, so that is going to be it. I hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and Happy New Year if I didn't say that already. And I hope everyone is doing well and being safe and being happy. And I will see you very soon in the next one. Bye.